Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing and also activating your bell icon. So my lovely, today I am excited to share with you how to make this delicious Ghanaian fish light soup. It is packed with flavors and so easy to put together. Come on in and let's begin. To start with, I have some salted beef here. I have thoroughly washed it to get rid of most of the salt, plus Kobe to go in as some chopped red onions. And then I will place one homemade green seasoning cube plus ginger and together with my Ghanaian 6 spice blend, which I will link it down in the description for you. You really have to try this. Yeah, so once everything is in, I'll stir and then cover it. Beginning my fish soup like that always ensures a tasty outcome. And this ajene or dry fish was sent to me right from Gold Coast, from Ghana. If you are in abroad and you get these packages, they are like gold. But today is the day that I had to enjoy this fish. So as you can see, I'm giving it a thorough wash with my brush to make sure that any dirt that's on this fish comes out. This is the last two fish. Eesh, mom, please, if you are watching this, you know what to do. So now I come back to our soup to take the Kobe away because I'm about to boil all these vegetables with the soup. Yes, so I'll place my tomatoes, onions, carrots, my bell peppers and hot pepper together with the tolo beef and the Kobe infused stock and cover it to boil. All the vegetables will release their beautiful flavors onto the base of the soup to give it a perfect start for our delicious soup. Now coming back, I just broke my fish into big chunks. And I always get the gut out as part of it tastes bitter. Okay, so now coming back, our vegetables are boiled, so I'll go ahead and put them in the blender. My dear, this is so quick. Oh boy, not enquino, are you ready? Very quick yet so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me until this time. Please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, share, and be part of this family. To blend my vegetables, I added some thyme. Thyme and fish dear, it really goes well together. I also added fresh ginger onto the vegetables to give it that needed flavor. Yes, so now everything is in. It is the perfect time to add salt and seasoning. Since the beginning of our soup, we used Kobe and salted fish. I had to wait until this stage to add salt. And yes, yes, so now I go in with my dry fish. Even at this stage, make her and quite share. It tastes really delicious already. The dry fish goes in beautifully, and I'm going to tuck them in and then add a little bit of water and allow it to cook. Me say, and quite when you bet if you do it exactly like this, the taste is just awesome. Now I put the Kobe back and I'm going to cover it. On the other side, I have cocoyam. So I peeled, cut it up and boiled, and then I used the food processor to blend it into this nice smooth cocoyam fufu. Eja, ebusiafo ni fia come nkwana am say menshima no kakra. Yes, so the fufu is ready and the soup looks amazing. The smell is divine. I'm telling you, this soup really tasted so delicious. The taste of this fish soup with the onia, I just say why you be, why be the dance here, and I had it with the cocoyam fufu. It was a treat. Kindly turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you later with another delicious recipe. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.